Assam as a state has a reputation of having untouched natural beauty. It's got a reputation of having a picturesque panorama. It's got a reputation of breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. And today, we're going to get you the natural beauty, the natural heritage, and the culture.
Assam, the land of one-horned rhino, the land of Bihu, the land of world's largest inhabited river island Majuli, and world's smallest inhabited river island Umananda. This is Assam. Assamese silk, eri, muga, path is our identity. Assamese handicraft is our speciality. और आसाम टी करोड़ों लोगों को सुबह बिस्तर से उठाता है, यह है आसाम टी। इस छोटा सा स्टेट में 9 and 18 होल का 22 गोल्फ कोर्स है। आसाम is blessed by the mighty Brahmaputra.
Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Assam is not only gateway of Northeast India. This is going to be half of the entire South of Asia.
In today's roadshow, 30 key tour operators and tourism stakeholders from Assam have come to Mumbai for B2B interaction with the tour operators of Maharashtra for promotion of tourism products of Assam.
We have the tourism sector overview. What are in the tourism sector we can present before you. These are the sectors like wildlife, religious and spiritual, tea and golf tourism. We have river and adventure tourism, heritage and history, and then culture and cuisine.
You know, Bhupen Hazarika in his song mentioned about Nila Pahad. Really, you can see that Nila Pahad in Assam. Assam people are so much like me, honestly speaking. They are very shy. We don't show so much, but we feel.
We are very happy that Assam is in Mumbai. 15 August Prime Minister's speech, we can see the change is happening and domestic tourism अच्छे दिन आ रहे हैं।
महाबाहु बोल के एक रिवर क्रूज आज का डेट में वो वर्ल्ड का टॉप 10 लग्जरियस रिवर क्रूज में आता है। यह है आसाम का लग्जरी टूरिज्म। किसी को टी टूरिज्म देखना है, टी टूरिज्म, चाय बागान, एक बार बागान में आइए। टी बांग्लोज, ब्रिटिश का जो टी बांग्लोज है उसमें रहने का ही मजा अलग है। 5 स्टार होटल भी उससे कहीं कंपेयर नहीं होता है टी बांग्लोज में रहने का जो मजा है। लास्ट ईयर हम लोग 17-18 में था 31,000 एंड दिस ईयर 18-19 आवर फॉरेन टूरिस्ट फुटफॉल इज 41,000.
And with that, since Assam has so much to celebrate, there is a festival that within a very short span of time became a sensation. Well, we're talking about the Dwijing Festival.
The Dwijing Festival, organized jointly by Assam Tourism and Bodoland Tourism, is an annual river fest that takes place in Sirang, Assam, from 27 December to 7 January. The Dwijing Festival offers a platform to the multi-hued culture, dance form, art forms of all the tribes, of all the communities that together comprises the beautiful state of Assam. Not only does it showcase the local and indigenous talents, but it also offers a platform to some of the best names of Bollywood to come down to showcase their talent. There is also performance by international artists and acts. The Dwijing Festival has been recognized and rewarded with 3 unique honors. It is truly a festival that encompasses everything a tourist desires to see in a place.
Today what we have showcased is just few drops from the ocean of our rich cultural heritage. So come to Assam, enjoy Assam. It's high time. We need to be assertive about our place, about our potential, what Assam can give to tourists. Joy I Ahom.
मैं आज से तकरीबन 2 साल पहले आसाम एक फिल्म के सिलसिले में गया, तो उससे पहले मैं कभी इत्तेफाक नहीं हुआ आसाम जाने का। 1-1.5 महीने वहाँ रहे हम लोग और ज़रा भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई। बहुत अच्छी अच्छी यादें हम वहाँ से लेके आए हैं और जिस तरह की यादें मेरे साथ में चाहते हैं आप सब लोग जाइए, ज़रा देखिए कि मैं जो कह रहा हूँ वो सच है या गलत है।
Nothing to worry. It's a very peaceful and security point of view. The government security is there. But today I can assure, today Assam, our social security is very strong.
I think my officers, my agents and my operators would be definitely interested in joining these FAM tours. So we would request you to give us those FAM tours. We will sit and work out these FAM tours in collaboration with Assam Tourism Corporation and the Association of Tour Operators who is present here.
This kind of tour, this kind of interaction, this kind of mutual things, it will bring more bonding to build our nation strong and strong.
I promise you that we will take utmost care and efforts to promote this destination more and more to our tourists.
It's not just a state, it is an experience. And I think every Indian and every person around the world should definitely go there and experience what Assam has to offer.
Any kind of problem, we are ready to resolve, we are ready to support, we are ready to help. And on behalf of Honorable Chief Minister of our state, means Sarbananda Sonowal, I would like to request all of you come, and how many days you want to stay there, you stay there. We'll be very happy to receive you people. Come all come.